पियाबाज प्याला पिया जाए ना, पियाबाज यख्तिल जिया जाए ना. I cannot drink wine without my beloved, and I cannot live even for a moment without my beloved. These are the lines by the 16th century poet Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Quli Qutb Shah was the 6th Sultan of Golconda of the Deccan Sultanate. He was also the first Urdu poet to have published his anthology of poetry, the collection of his poetry. Most of the poems Quli Qutb Shah wrote was for his beloved and later his queen Bhagmati. He even built a beautiful city with palaces, gardens and lakes to honor his queen Bhagmati and called it Bhagnagar. Later on, when the queen took the title of Hyder Mahal, the city was renamed to Hyderabad. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.